Hi everyone, my name is Cirill Patrovits. I'm the head chef here in Clare Hall College in Cambridge, and today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Hungarian goulash soup. The goulash soup invented by the Hungarian shepherds in the 18th century. They was using a special cut of meat which was coming from the Hungarian grey cattle beef. This soup was made outside with a cast iron dish on top of a wooden fire, and the soup has lots of ingredients. So the ingredients are oil, chopped white onions, tomatoes, and sweet peppers, then garlic, very important Hungarian sweet paprika, salt, pepper, and caraway seed. Then once we all cook these basic ingredients, we add the Hungarian grey cattle beef and cook it for about 3 to 4 hours on a low heat. Then we add celeriac, carrots and potatoes. Add a little bit of water, cook it for another half an hour, and when it's ready we can then serve it, and optionally we can add creme fraiche or sour cream and some chopped parsley and freshly made crispy bread. So first we gonna add a little bit of oil in a pan. Then we add the onions. And fry a little bit. For this recipe, you need to use a lot of onions. That makes the soup even more thicker and juicier. Once a little bit fried, you can then add a bit of garlic. Cook it with the onion a little bit. Once it gets to the golden brown color, then we can add the tomatoes and the pepper. And season it with salt, pepper, caraway seed, and keep it for a little longer. Once the tomato gets juicier, you can then add the sweet paprika. We need to make sure not to cook it too long with the oil, as the paprika tend to get bitter, and then the whole soup will taste bitter. And once we've done that, we need to add a little bit of water, so that stops it. And then we got this nice rich base with all these amazing flavors. You then need to cook it for about 10 minutes until the tomatoes are really tender and soft. So once we got this nice base of the soup, then we can add the beef. And then we cook it for about 2 to 3 hours. We need to make sure that we're checking it all the time, because we don't want to burn it. So sometimes you need to add a little bit more water and more water and more water. Now it's been cooked for nearly 3 hours. Let's have a look how's the beef. Nice and tender. Now we can add the vegetables, which is celery, carrots and potatoes. Add with the water, don't worry, because you need to add water. And then, once it's in, we can then add more water. Okay. Now we just need to cook it for about another 30 to 40 minutes. And once all the vegetables are really soft, the soup is done. Right, let's then serve this beauty. Everything, vegetables. Optionally, a little bit of crème fraîche. I especially like it. And a bit of parsley, a little fresh taste.